Good stuck work. Learning the dance now. Here we go. Ready? Step back right 1, step left 2, 3, turn 4. 1, 2, 3, turn 4 and 5, down 6 and 7, up 8. 1, 2, 3, turn 4 and 5, down 6 and 7, up 8. 1, 5, 8, again. 2.
And what we're really concerned about is the president will be opening his parachute at 5,000 feet, quite possibly getting lost inside the cloud, losing sight of the drop zone and landing off-site, injuring himself. And we don't want to do that to a national treasure.
All right, on their downwind leg, turning onto the base leg, eyeing the logo intensely. Let's see what they can do. Prepared for landing, swooping in on final. Stopping the forward speed, and a nice smooth landing. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the 41st President of the United States, Mr. George Bush.